Good evening, everyone. I am Mamali. Today, I am going to present my presentation topic name is microfibers. In this topics, my contents are introductions. What is microfibers? What are the purpose of using these microfibers? What are the main components is used in microfibers? Working principles, advantage, disadvantage, and applications. So first, we know about the introduction. Microbivores. Microbivores means the nanotechnology offers a new powerful tool to treat the human disease like our biological system. That is, microbivores. Microbivores are used to digest the pathogens. Pathogens means the disease-causing virus in the human bodies by injecting it into a bloodstream. Traps the blood pathogens and breaks them. Means the nanotechnology introducing the nanotubes or the nanorobots to do the operations in our bodies by the help of the nanotechnologies. Means whatever the virus present in our body, it will go and it will destroy that virus completely. By injecting this virus to our body through the bag by the injections, the traps blood pathogens and breaks them. Then the microfibers are just act like a artificial white blood cells. It float in our body through the bloodstream. It consists of 6 10 billions arranged atoms and 10 times faster than the white blood cells. Cephaloid devices, the shape of the microfibers is around the 3.4 micrometers in diameter. Then the main components used in microfibers are it is having the four components like the binding sites, grapples, modulation chambers, and digestions. Binding sites. Binding sites is having the thread-like structures. It will go and bind that virus-causing virus. It will uh, it will attach to that body and it will like our grapples. It will go and attach for the blood streams. It would go and injecting in our body through the grapples. Then the modulation chambers. In this modulation chambers, it is having the drugs and medicines. It is having two types of sensors for after sensing that particular part of our body, it will go and giving that particular drugs to that particular part. Then the digestions. Digestions is have after completing that operations, it will come out from our body through the digestion port. Then the purpose of the microfibers. The main purpose of microfibers are used in our day-to-day lives to decreasing the biohazards in our body. This nanorobot is also used to delivering the drugs into our body along with the function of the digesting pathogens. Without affecting any other parts of human bodies, the drugs has been delivered to the specific part of our body. Means after injecting through our body, it will float along with our blood streams like our white blood cells and it will go destroy that particular virus and through the specific part only means without affecting any other parts of our body, it will go a certain particular part only, it will go and operate that and it will fight through that virus and come out from our body. Then the working principle of microfiber. The target bacterium binds to the microfiber surface by binding sites, means it is having the binding sites. Through that binding sites only, it will go and binds that particular virus. Then after it will go the telescopic robots. Grapples rise up from our surface and attach to that trapped bacteriums. Means that robot will go and grapples means it will go and attach that particular part and it will trap to the bacteriums. Means it will go and injecting through the injections. And after grabbing that particular part, the grapple's hand-up motions can be transported by the pathogens from the binding sites to the injecting ports. Means through the binding sites, it is having one injecting ports. For that only, it will injecting the drugs to the particular part. Then after the pathogens are has been sensed with the internal sensors such as the glucose sensors and the carbon dioxide sensors to the maceration chamber. Means I have already told that the modulation chamber is having the two types of sensors. After sensing that particular part only, the damaged part will be go and injecting through the virus to that particular part only. After giving that particular parts to the bacteria or the virus, it will it will go for the bacteria is machined into the nanoscale species. Means after getting that virus, it will sensing. After sensing, it will go and giving that particular immunity power to the pathogens. It get decreases and reduced amount to the drugs can be delivered to the specific part of our body. Then let's see one working video.
So what exactly is bacteriophages? बैक्टीरियोफेजेस को हम बैक्टीरियो ईटर भी बोलते हैं क्योंकि ये एक ऐसे वायरस है जो कि बैक्टीरिया को इन्फेक्ट करते हैं। जी हाँ, बैक्टीरियोफेज बैक्टीरिया पर इफेक्ट करकर उसे मार देता है। एक्चुअली होता ये है कि बैक्टीरियोफेज जाकर बैक्टीरिया की सरफेस पर अटैच हो जाता है और अपना डीएनए मटेरियल उस बैक्टीरिया के अंदर ट्रांसफर करने लगता है और वो बेचारा बैक्टीरिया उस डीएनए को अपना डीएनए समझकर उसे रेप्लिकेट करने लगता है। जैसे जैसे बैक्टीरियोफेज का डीएनए बैक्टीरिया के अंदर मल्टीप्लाई होते रहता है, वैसे वैसे ही न्यू बैक्टीरिया फेजेस प्रोड्यूस होने लगते हैं उस बैक्टीरिया के अंदर। और एट द एंड ये सारे बेबी बैक्टीरिया फेजेस मिलकर उस बैक्टीरिया को फोड़कर बाहर निकल जाते हैं। तो व्हाट
Then for designing this microfibers, we have to follow the certain steps like this. Enzymes are injecting through our extracted 6 times during the single destination cycles. Means after giving that injection to our ejection port, it will during the 6 times faster than that one cycling of the digestions. These small molecules have that discharging into our bloodstream through the exhaust port. After doing all these activities in our body, it will come out from our body through the exhaust port. After destructions, that microfibers exist through our body to the kidney or then the extracted in our unit. Then the main applications where is the microfibers are mainly used, like our drugs delivery. Means internally saves, we cannot flow through that drugs through our body. So with having this microfibers, we can easily deliver through our internal parts the drugs and the body surveillance. Means whichever things are internally issued in our body, we can easily find out through this microfibers. Then the surgery. Microsurgeries can be done through this microfibers. Then the cancer detection and the treatment. Means when cancer is affecting through our body, it will detect and it will completely destroy that virus through our body. Then the gen therapy and the diabetes treatment. Means diabetes also can be treated through this microfibers. Then the main advantage is the most animal cells at 10,000 or 20,000 diameter of our microfibers are easily to insecting. Means in a normal animal cells, the shape of that microfibers will be 10,000 to the 20,000 millimeter, or the shape of the diameter of the microfibers will be uh, 10 to 20 nanometers. Then that 1,000 times more faster and 80 times more efficient that natural pathogens. Means comparing this normal pathogens, it will be 1,000 times faster than that normal pathogens, and the pathocycle time will be more efficient as compared to our normals. Then completely destroy one pathogens in 30 seconds. Means for destroy one virus pathogens, it will take only 30 seconds. Then the disadvantages. The large nanorobots will block the capillary flow. Means whenever the designing of that nanorobots in this medical field, the safe will be more. Means it will not allow to flow in our bloodstreams. Then the cost of that microfibers will be more. For one operation, it will take 1.5 lakhs for digesting one virus in our body. Then finally, I can conclude that the concept of microfibers is just a theoretical justifications, but the recent advancement in the field of nanotechnology, it gives the hope of the effective use of this technology in the medical fields. This is like the AIDS, cancers can be treatment permanently at the stage of using this By any stage, we can be treatment this technology using this technology. It can be great replacement for the existing medical technology in the terms of fast results and efficiency. Means compared to our normal operations, it will take only the fraction of seconds for doing that operations, and the operation will be give the result as if faster and more efficiency. Thank you.